So I just received my NXN Nature by Nature box. I paid $4.99, I believe, to test this out. Well, not to test it out. They gave you your first set for $4.99, and then the next set, I believe, is $39.99. I need to look, and I'll put that in the description below. But I'm gonna unbox it for the first time with you guys. I have only opened it, and then I realized I should show you. So inside, we opened a box. They have this cute little picture of this nice pretty lady. And what's not in it? No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no common allergens, and no propylene glycol. So as we open some more, it comes with a bag. This made me so excited. There's a cute little bag in here. Where's the zipper? Right here. Okay. So I'm doing this with one hand, so I apologize for my goofy camera skills. It is a clear bag. Just has a picture behind it. So there is the NXN Nature by Nature Take the 30-Day Challenge. Your skin will love it. Shows follow our 4-step system for 30 days to discover the power of nature. And then you can document and share your success at NXN Beauty. So then we have this bubble wrapped package. The box is really cute, by the way. I failed to mention that. And it's all nice and purpley. Alright. So we open this up. And the first thing I'm going to pull out is this big one right here. This is the Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser for oily and combination skin. Start the day off bright with a refreshing foaming cleanser. That's cool. And this packaging is really great. I mean, it's beautiful. So next we have, this is the Power Detox Clear Complexion Mask. This is the Balance Beam Oil Control Moisturizer. I'm totally going to be using this so much, because I have really dry skin, but it gets oily, I think, because it lacks moisture, and it's genetic. This is the Flash Matte Perfecting Primer for all skin types. This is so exciting. They may have wrapped me in, and I'm going to end up spending like 40 bucks next time to get more. This is amazing. I'm so excited. I hope it really works out. Put the bubble wrap over here. Let's see. So it looks like, oh man, it opens. How cool. So let's go like this. So it shows, there, I have the Zero Shine system because I have oily skin, which is this one. I believe this one is the Total Moisture Serum for people with dry and not oily skin. And then it tells you the steps once again. This is so cool. I'm so excited to use this, guys. And I will be letting you know if it makes a huge difference in my oil production and how it all works out. This is so awesome. Thank you. This is awesome. NXN Beauty. Thanks, guys. I'm excited to try it out and tell you how I feel. All right. Bye, guys.